Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is highly interesting as I will be sharing 23 AI tools that will be incredibly helpful for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's start the video. 1. Beethoven, create unique royalty-free music that elevates your story. 2. Clean Voice, automatically edit your podcast episodes. 3. Flare, design branded content in a flash. 4. Illustrope, create killer vector images from text prompts. 5. Patterned, generate the exact patterns you need for an design. 6. Stockim, generate the perfect stock photo you need, every time. 7. Copy, AI-generated copy, that actually increases conversion. 8. Okoya, create and schedule social media content 10x faster. 9. Unbound smart copy, write high-performing cold emails at scale. 10. Video, make short-form vids from long-form content in just a few clicks. 11. Maverick, generate personalized videos at scale.